Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon Smart Thermostat with Alexa step by step clearly. To install the Amazon Smart Thermostat with Alexa, first, gather all necessary tools and materials. Make sure you have a screwdriver, a drill, and any necessary mounting hardware included in the package. Begin by turning off your HVAC system at the circuit breaker to ensure safety during installation. Remove your existing thermostat by gently unscrewing it from the wall. Take a moment to label the wires connected to your old thermostat for easy reconnection later. Carefully detach the wires from the old thermostat and set it aside. Next, follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the new Amazon Smart Thermostat bracket onto your wall. If your wall requires additional support, drill pilot holes and insert anchors as needed. Connect the labeled wires to the corresponding terminals on the new thermostat, ensuring a secure fit. Once connected, gently push the wires back into the wall and attach the thermostat to the mounted bracket. Now, restore power to your HVAC system by turning the circuit breaker back on. Wait for the thermostat to power up and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Download the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone if you haven't done so already. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. In the app, navigate to the Devices section and select Thermostats. Follow the prompts to add your new Amazon Smart Thermostat to your Alexa setup. After the thermostat is added, configure any settings or schedules as desired. Once setup is complete, test your thermostat by adjusting the temperature via the app or using voice commands with Alexa. Monitor its performance over the next few days to ensure everything works as expected. Congratulations, your Amazon Smart Thermostat is now installed and ready to use with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.